Hello, this is Andrea from Pesado. Today I would like to introduce you our 51mm kit for the domestic DeLonghi coffee machine. We have developed a shower screen and a basket that is designed to improve the coffee extraction on all DeLonghi domestic machines. Why we made this is because we've received a very numerous amount of requests for this product, as well as once we start playing around with the machine, we saw a real opportunity of improving the way the machine makes coffee. We have changed the way the machine diffuses the water, and we've gone for a perforated cup that the machine comes stock standard to a plate with 18 channels that drive the water all the way to the outside of the surface area of the shower screen. You know, the genuine one, which has got the perforated holes, and the diameter of the shower is 51mm, but the diameter of the perforated area is actually probably 5mm less on each side. So you actually have only a 40mm of perforation, therefore a 40mm shower. With our improvement, we have made a plate that drives the water out to the outer edges of the shower screen. So the coffee gets saturated all the way to the rim of the basket. This is extremely important because the majority of the area of the circle lies on the outer. You know, you've got likely 40% more coverage, more diffusion with our shower plate. And we've done exactly the same thing with the basket. This is the stock standard DeLonghi basket, and as you can see, the shape is almost like a cone. Therefore, what happens with the flow is actually getting all the water to restrict in the center, and again, the open area at the bottom is a lot smaller than 51mm. Therefore, you almost have a choking. We've made a basket that is cylindrical, and we've made a basket that's got holes all the way out to the edges, or as far as we could to the edges. How is that going to improve your coffee? Having a better water diffusion will improve the way the water mixes with coffee. If you're diffusing the water at 41mm, what is going to happen when you press your coffee button is that the machine, especially this machine, has got a pre-infusion setting where the water's coming out intermittently at very little pressure. So when you have no pressure, the water will simply go downwards. It's never going to go sideways. So you're not going to infuse the pack, which is in the basket. You're not going to infuse it at a full diameter, but you're only infusing the center of the pack. With our improved kit, you're going to fully infuse the water at 51mm, fully extract the 51mm from the pre-infusion to the full pressure, all the way until the end of the extraction. So moving on how to use our kit is very simple. So the coffee machine has got an inner screw, which is a Phillips head. You gotta unscrew this one and you mount the screw on our screen, and then you can just install it straight up in the middle. Do this while the machine is cold, and make sure you don't press the hot water button, otherwise you're gonna get burnt. And the same thing for the basket. The basket pops out really easily. So all you do, there's a little groove in there, and you just pop your genuine basket out, and you can pop our upgrade basket back in there. You also will need to reset the coffee machine. So what do I need by that? By having more holes and a better water diffusion, you will find very likely that the coffee will come out quicker. That's because you have less resistance, and that's exactly what we're trying to achieve. So what you want to be doing, first of all, you want to check that you've got the right dose on your handle. Now we've made this to work with minimum 18 grams of coffee. What I would like you to do is, when you grind the coffee on your coffee machine and you tamp it with the side lever of your coffee machine, you want to make sure that that leaves an indentation on top of the coffee, and you want to fill the pack. You want to make sure the pack is firm. Okay, you don't want to overfill it, but you don't want to underfill it. Okay, and very likely you would also need to make an adjustment on the grind, and you will have to go a little bit finer. All this will improve the thickness and the amount of extraction of the coffee. So you will actually notice straight away an improvement in the flavor, a richer cup, a better performing coffee when it's mixed with milk. So if you're the kind of guy that makes himself a latte or a cappuccino, you will find that coffee to have a little bit more punch, okay? And that's just because you're using a different way to extract the coffee. You're extracting the coffee a little bit better, so you will get more flavor out of it. Our kit also comes with a pack screen, okay? What is a pack screen? This is just a very thin screen that we like to put on top of the coffee, of the dry coffee, obviously. It is there for many reasons. One of them is if you're using freshly roasted coffee, it will just keep it settled in the basket. It will not allow the coffee to expand too much. And it will also help to prevent any channeling, or given the fact that this machine has a built-in tamper, is actually a little bit fiddly and is not the very, very best tamper I've ever seen. So this will just improve the way the pack gets infused inside the brewing chamber. You know, it really kind of did slightly improve the performance of the machine.